today is my birthday, and we are about to go out and do a run. Everything is gonna be free today. Going to collect all my free birthday rewards from all of the places that I am a rewards member at, and we're gonna see how this gonna go. Now, I'm not eating all of it because that's just not what I do. But this one over here, she gonna eat it. She gonna make sure it's eaten all up. So
I want the Panera.
You want Panera?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the only thing that I want is Zaxbys because I want the salad, and then you can have Panera. Of course, you know BJ's gonna want what's the other one? The Lenny's. He might want Zaxbys, but the salad is mine, so he can't have that. He can have everything else. Then we got Baskin Robin. Then we got Red Robin, McAllister's. So we will be going to several different places throughout this video to collect all of my free birthday rewards. Can I get a straw? Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you. I just want to make sure. Okay. She trying to find me a happy birthday song, and she just turned on some Teletubby happy birthday. What that was.
Oh, we're not done on the birthday.
You know, definitely don't want that on the birthday. Huh? No, ma'am. Skip.
It's Katy Perry.
Skip. I don't want no Katy Perry. I don't need,
This is summer vibes.
I want some ratchet happy birthday music.
This is summer vibes.
I'm 45. I want some ratchet happy birthday music. Migos happy birthday. Okay, I know that one.
You know this one?
I know this one, yes. I do know this one.
I don't know if I know this one.
Yeah. Yep, I know this one. When the drink kick in. It's my birthday, but it's my birthday.
Say quick tapping.
Like I said, we finna pull up at Lenny's. Come on, DJ. Ayana.
Ebony said happy birthday.
Thank you, Ebony.
Next stop.
I can't twerk while I'm driving to this.
What?
Yes, it's Rihanna. Cake.
So I can't even twerk while I'm driving. Lord help us. She looks so grown now.
Hey. You know that was a 1 minute song?
No.
Yes. It's just cake.
I was
That's
like,
it.
wait, the song is over?
You ain't never realized that after all that time of hearing them play that song, that it wasn't a long song. Oh my God. Come on, DJ.
The song. Don't rush the process.
Come on. Who is that? Hey.
Come on, DJ.
Are you fancy, huh? Are you fancy, huh? Are you fancy, huh? Hair deep, nails deep.
Hey, good.
Alright, stop number 3.
I'm a great DJ.
Oh, why?
Oh, I know me when I walk in. No question. This girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause she's beautiful. I walk my talk the way I trip. It's not my fault. So please don't trip. Don't hate us cause we beautiful. Don't hate us. What you say?
It's hot and I'm sure want some ice cream. Cheesecake. Yes. To go. Yes. That's it.
Thank you.
So we are headed home because I'm hungry. She's hungry. She getting hangry, and and a lot of the other places you gotta go, you gotta dine in. So we've gone to the few places that we're gonna go to for all of the free foods for my birthday, and we're gonna go home and eat, have a good time, chill out, relax for the rest of the day. But it was a fun trip. So this wasn't too bad, was it? It wasn't that bad. Plus everything was right in the area.
Oh yeah, it wasn't bad.
We had to detour one time, but for the most part, it was good.
We're in Carville too, so it's easier to.
Yeah. I made it. 45 lives. 45 lives. This is all the food that we picked up today. I will go at a later date and get the rest of it. I think some of my coupons, my birthday coupons last until June the 6th, June the 7th. So I got a lot of time. The majority of the rest of them are the ones where you have to go and sit down and eat. So I didn't have time for all of that. But everybody in the house got something to eat from all of my free birthday coupons. Hold on. I think I just messed it up. It says,
When I was little girl, my mother told me that was.
now you know I'm blind. I cannot see.
You have to
that
put your
small
eye up
letter.
to it.
What does it say?
You have to put like like really close to your eye.
Oh my gosh, it says something.
You have to help me.
I can't read what it's saying, but I know it's got some. Maybe.
It says
maybe.
I love you in 100 languages.
I gotta close one eye to see it. I see it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. My sunshine.
Nothing's happening here. She's not the first, but she won't be the last. Stage 3. What does she think you've done?
You know what you're doing?
Can you see it?
Do you want me to carry him?
Yay, cute.
You.